Hi Chris, so this is your machine ready and for shipping. It goes out tomorrow. So just so as we both know what's going to go on when we come up, rear of the tractor, 2 hydraulic services that we use. We then have PTO pump that drives 2 little pumps. One pump will run the conveyor. The second pump will run the rake, which is down there. Then electrical pickup wise, we have normal 7-pin that will go in the back of the tractor to run the road kit, lights and bits, indicators. And then the other one is our own pin, which is the white one. That is going to operate the electrical functions, so that'll be the controller. So I don't know if you've got a workshop guy who is able to do anything on the tractor. We can go to the battery if we do it. Obviously if you've got one of your normal guys who can go to a switched ignition feed on it, that'll be good. And that way when we isolate it, it's not a big problem. It just means somebody at the end of the day just needs to unplug that cable and it'll isolate it. But as I said, vice versa, if there's somebody who can wire it into the switched ignition on the tractor, then that's there. So there we go. We've been checked and checked. So hopefully we are all good. We've got wings to make it the right width. We've got the hopper. As I said, we've got the belt. We've got your tensioning system so that maintenance becomes a lot easier. All your bearings are shielded and covered. Got your light kit on the rear, and you've probably seen, if I find it again, we've got the beacons on the rest.